Chief Minister Biren reiterates his stand to protect the integrity of Manipur, says he will not succumb to blackmail. Open dialogue on framework agreement espouses the concept of protecting Manipur's exclusiveness, polity and flexibility. Acting Chief Justice Koteshwar and Justice Nobin make sport inquiry at National Sports Academy, Kumalampak and Sai Takel Park in connection with a PIL. And the Minister Jayanta Kumar inaugurates 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017 held on the theme Youth for a Promising Future. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren today reiterated that his government will protect the integrity of the state at any cost. He categorically stated that his government will not succumb to blackmail and will not accept the Naga integration. Nongthongpam Biren said he is ready to sacrifice his life for the integrity of Manipur. He was speaking at the training program organized by Directorate of Sericulture at Sangayumpham for the beneficiaries of Manipur Sericulture Project Phase 2 on how to utilize the benefits through DBT. The Chief Minister expressed the happiness that Manipur is the state to receive the benefits through DBT in India. Under Northeastern Region Textile Promotion Scheme of Ministry of Textiles, 520 beneficiaries from 4 valley districts have been provided Rs 59,200 under Manipur Sericulture Project Phase 2 Mulberry.
Politician, media, no, that will be wrong. If you started biting to others, you prepare to prevent from biting by others also. Adu minus issue the Mayam Karim Gathaina Aduga si government si Yankana pressure da Aduga children da blackmailing the Yankana Sakam Torga Nonjerga Pangsu governments. Aduga Pangi the Magdaniga and the Lebaka Yontokana, no Gai Pulasu, no Nagapunga, so Yellow Roigana, Eva Pitoka the Bandum busy government of Queen of Dico. Taka, she was Siamadino in Naga integration Yariga and a swipe Pitudo, Adugumba busy government, Adugumba Birinati. Laibak si kainom daw dengan ay hana imang karga siya sacrifice daw siya. Anything, any challenge, hana siya daw. Asam na mapun na soy pitoro ka chin na som dharana tap salaga ha nga no kunong ning emertadi. Sida phammi ma mayam sida gilebang siba ini handpote. Akoi pun nga ka daw ni sidi Congress na nga ka daw ni BJP na nga ka daw ni du nga ka daw ni le kram ni taw daw sidi. Ay kanano mo mo gi kan draft taw ko tharo ay adu udredi kai rasu yare de sugam bayam immature hoiba laiba ki tawri bra na traba kana ki tawri no tudi beneficiary training program. MLA Awang Bao Nyumai, who is also the president of Naga People's Front, asserted that the people of the hills also want integration of Manipur. He refuted the allegations by the Congress party. He said the peace is gradually returning in the state because of the efforts of the BJP-led government. He urged the people to work for unity of the state.
Physical and emotional unity attachment ngasi amuka phongdok pangamba siguma lampsida kanlaktuna ngasi niti ye khoge honorable chief minister ba hunduna lebase. It's very unfortunate. It's so immature of them. District the lakadore habagi pau ta bakanda wakanda lapning do poktuna lakpagi wane paisana pura pusunate basna pura pusunate. It is love that brought them to Tamenglong to welcome our honorable chief minister. Ekhoi su nungai ba pame nungsi ba pame pun ba pame peace pame ngasi progress peace asipunamak asi akhoi nang egi khutta lei adubo everything will come only when we love each other.
The one-day open dialogue on framework agreement between the government of India and NSA and IM espoused the concept of protecting Manipur's exclusiveness, polity and flexibility. All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko, United Committee Manipur UCM and Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park CCSK jointly organized the open discussion on possible outcomes of the framework agreement in the context of Manipur at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. The discussion maintains that the framework agreement must not interfere with Manipur's exclusiveness, polity and flexibility. Speakers at the discussion voiced their concern over the prevailing apprehension among the people of the state due to non-revelation of contents of the framework agreement signed between the Centre and NSC and IM. They also highlighted the vulnerability of Manipur amongst the northeastern states of the country in such a situation. They further stated that if the rumored pan-Naga government for Naga-inhabited areas is true, this could pose a grave danger and it becomes inevitable to initiate a political movement against it. Resource persons at the open dialogue also accused the government of India of conspiring division among different communities. They urged the state government and political parties to put pressure on the centre to make amendment in the constitution regarding the issue. Representatives of various civil society organizations and people participated in the discussion. The meeting took several resolutions after the open debate.
We were considering the totally other bottom of the Ninka by the Yaro and Moy to a framework agreement to do no sweet of any Modina. Nagavi totally out of the bottom of the game with the Nagamayan, see a Punba, Karimba body and Matamdragati NSN, so Muiba Yaro doing. An issue of point Gana, a quickie. Was it like power sitting Karayan power, was it district autonomy, it is power Karayan with the Yaro, Anisi, and I thought about NSC. Any NSC agreement of Lakamatamda, Manipur flexibility and Manipur inclusiveness politicity can one as a Sunya said. India government and Manipur issue at least stand of a low with the cardboard.
Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur N. Koteshwar and Justice K. Nobin conducted sport inquiry at the National Sports Academy, Kumadlampak and Sports Authority of India, Sai Takelpak, in connection with a public interest litigation admitted at the High Court yesterday. A division bench of Acting Chief Justice N. Koteshwar and Justice K. Nobin yesterday admitted the PIL, alleging mismanagement by the authorities of the National Sports Academy and Sai Takelpak, accompanied by the official of the High Court. Acting Chief Justice N. Koteshwar and Justice K. Nobin conducted the sport inquiry today at the two institutions. YAS Commissioner H. Dilip was also present during the sport inquiry. The team inspected the classrooms, mess and kitchen, hostel rooms. They also expressed the needs to improve the infrastructure at NSA Kumadlampak immediately. Acting Chief Justice N. Koteshwar expressed his desire to open legal literacy club and legal clinic at the academy. He also said sports not only make the members of the society but strengthen unity among the people of different communities living in the state. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta today opened the 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017 organized by Manipur University Cultural Committee on the theme Youth for a Promising Future at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University. Student contingents from 27 different colleges took out a march past in traditional attire at the inaugural event of the three-day festival. In his inaugural speech, Minister Jayanta said, apart from academic knowledge, discipline and honesty are important in one's life. He asserted that self-discipline will ensure one's success in life in this competitive world. He also appeals to students representing colleges from the Hill and Valley districts at the festival never to betray the confidence and trust that the country has in them, as they are the pillars of the nation. Speaking at the event, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey said, Manipur is a beautiful land with beautiful cultures. He recalls that India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, described Manipur as the jewel of India. He also appreciated the talents of the youth of the state.
We need to maintain strict discipline. Fully, we are saying that Ching degi, Sunabati degi, Kangusi yauba, Don Bosco College yauba, Adikalo na, Oful district degi yauba, Asia Noi, the Moida, Mayam mixed yauba, the sense of participation, sense of belongingness, sense of oneness, but the create yauba, whatever the response like this, and the paying the Matang say, "Diri amuke hena mati response so to ba ching district lang ko hona ba na ba jo kana honase.
IDSP, Manipur and National Health Mission today observed the World Antibiotic Awareness Week on the theme Seek Advice from Quality Healthcare Professional Before Taking Antibiotics at Indian Medical Association IMA Lamphilpat. Speaking at the observance, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar expressed grave concern at the unrestrained prescription of antibiotic by doctors causing serious health problems to many patients. He also said the week was observed to create awareness about the effects of misuse of antibiotic among the people. Jayantakumar also said it is also necessary to check the quality of medicines provided to patients under Jan Aushadhi scheme at government hospitals at a cheaper price. Head of Community Medicine RIMS Professor Akoijam Brojen urged the people not to purchase antibiotic without a prescription by a doctor. He warns that it is dangerous to buy antibiotic without doctor's prescription and to take them. District Legal Services Authority, Imphal West, in collaboration with United Chongthas Nagamapal, organized a one-day legal awareness program and essay writing competition for Class 8 to Class 10 students yesterday as part of the 10-day nationwide Connecting to Serve campaign launched on November 9. The essay writing competition was conducted at Moral Guidance Center, Komlakhong, while the legal awareness program was held at Phaubak Chau. Kwame Ekta Week was held at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthongpa Biren stated that the differences in culture, religion and language should not be hurdles in bringing unity and creating sense of oneness in the country. He stated that youths should be made aware of the sense of unity, oneness and solidarity. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar also urged these citizens to take pledge to uphold the integrity of the nation on the occasion. Ministers, MLAs, top civil and police officials attended the event. IPSA, Akomlu, Pandam, Kanglamay, Kil, KLK and KSA today jointly marked the 20 years of Inner Line Permit System campaign in Manipur at Manipur Press Club. Chairman of the celebration committee, Ibotombi Kuman said the student body, MSU, launched a movement called Foreigner Issue against illegal migrants in 1979-1980. He said since then, many groups and organizations have followed in the footsteps of the student body and have been continuing various campaigns for protection of the indigenous people. He alleged that different governments which were in power in the state had sidelined the people's demand. He also said state governments from time to time had been trying to pacify the people instead of trying to serve their interest. Iboya Makuman maintains that JCILPS with the people's support have intensified their campaign for implementation of ILP in Manipur. He appeals for people's cooperation to press the demand for protection of indigenous people of Manipur. Representatives of various civil society organizations took part in the event.
Miyang apa masing ase masih tahu dah mana mana makan dah Manipur dah isu sing ase dom hinga kan sum lehal kan sada ku tang tu leta ba makal lehan dah masih tahu masih share so sing gede still ngasih sum JCLPS na lep letan changjali an hojil leba condition sada JCLPS na stakeholders sing habade chungal leba naga amasung kuki hana khangna ba lup sing ase ga hojil wari sanara kan sada akan ba makhoi ga loina na punna Manipur le ba sejin khre mana jaba dukun ba billama puthona ba kan
As part of security measures taken ahead of the Sangai Festival, a combined team of Imphal West Commando and Women Police personnel under the supervision of SP Imphal West conducted door-to-door cordon and search operation in Ningombam Airport area in Imphal West this morning. Bailed out cadres of UNLF, PLA and KYKL were verified during the operation. Sources said during verification, the bailed out UNLF cadre is found to be serving at the Horticulture Department. 4 persons were picked up and were handed over to Singjamai Police Station for further verification. A combined team of Imphal East, 2nd OC Commando and SDPO Porampat under the supervision of SP Imphal East, SP Kabib K also conducted door-to-door cordon and search operation in Haukip Vang, Wangkai Thangapat, Mapan and areas behind Hata Kangjibung in Imphal East district. Altogether, 380 persons including 140 women were verified during the operation. 3 men and 9 women were taken to Porampat police station for further verification. A combined team of SDPO Moirang and Bishnupur Police Commando under the supervision of SP Bishnupur, Jogesh Chandra Haubijam also conducted cordon and search operations in Ngakha Lawai, wards number 1, 2 and 3 in Bishnupur district this morning as part of security measures taken ahead of the Sangai festival. Imphal East Police and 109 Battalion CRPF Mongsangai carried out cleanliness drive at Hapta Kangjibung in connection with the upcoming Sangai festival this morning. The personnel cleansed the debris from the ongoing construction works and mowed the lawn. Apart from cleaning the area, they also repaired the roads. SP Imphal East Kabib K told media that the cleanliness drive was carried out under community policing to ensure a neat and clean environment during the festival.
Sangai festival is our state festival, and we want to be a part of the festival, not only as a security but also in other ways, whatever the possible ways that we can help in the state government in making the Sangai festival a very grand successful one. Seeing the condition of the ground, under the guidance of our tourism department Commissioner Sri P.K. Singh sir and Director Tourism Sri Sudan, under my SP ship, our Imphal East District Police around 180 in number. Today we are coming and helping in making the ground more fit for the grand success.
Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar along with members of Blooming Manipur today planted flowers at Ima Market. Speaking at the program, Minister Shyamkumar emphasized the role to be played by women vendors and shopkeepers of the Kwaramban market in maintaining Imphal city neat and clean. Officials of Imphal Municipal Corporation and Joint Director of Mahut took part in the program organized by Blooming Manipur. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back with the launch of a website and mobile app ahead of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2017. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A new website called www.sangaiticket.com and a mobile app called Manipur Sangai Festival 2017 were launched today by Globis Web Solutions Private Limited, the festival's ticketing partner, at its office in New Chekon to help the people purchase tickets without problem for the Sangai Festival. Speaking at the launch, Managing Director of Globis, Roshni Kumar Yambem, told media persons that the website and the mobile app will greatly solve the inconveniences faced by people while purchasing tickets for the festival. He said the mobile app can now be downloaded from Google Play Store. He also said the mobile app provides features like the festival's daily schedule, road maps and public's feedbacks. Roshni Kumar said the price of tickets for the programs to be held at Hapta Kangjibung will be fixed at 30 rupees per ticket, while the ticket for events to be held at Khuman Lampak and Lamboy Khongnangkhong will be available at rupees 20. He said the tickets will also be available at the venues and other select locations in Imphal city. Roshni Kumar said that preparations are made to make tickets available in remote district headquarters.
Laklibas Sangai Festival 2017 sigi hoigi ticketing partner moina Globisna hoigi mayamgi ticket chinbagi changsi khara handhanabgi dongta hoi sangaiticket.com ko ba online ticketing website ama hoi release tawjare. aduga loina loina atopa mobile app amasu Google Play Store da hojik Manipur Sangai Festival 2017 na kawwa mobile app amasu khoi release tawre haiba website asigi through da khoi Lamboy Hapta Kangjibung Lamboy Khongnangkhong Khumalampa venue ahum jigi khoi ticket kapi be yagani.
Members of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha criticized a local daily for making fun of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in its humor column and burnt copies of the local daily in front of its office at Nite Park to take today. Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Manormayum Barish, condemns the column making fun of a country's Prime Minister even though it might have been done in a lighter vein. He demanded clarification from the daily.
ngasi phagi gi kalam ni haiduna su akai ba kayama amadi bharat ki prime minister masamak ta hairoi da wahi kayama sin aduna phagi kalam da isalak pase masi akoi strongly condemn tawi chefung asida kanglei cha punamakta sengdok pirak ta taragadi mathangi numit gi akoi bharat janata yuva morcha na akan ba khongjang ga loina na jangsan abgi namukta akoi ready da leijare.
The IPR Manipur organized a media interaction program for persons who are recently appointed assistant professors of college and other posts in DIPR by Manipur Public Service Commission at the DIPR office in Morangkom today. The recently recruited assistant professors for colleges present at the interaction emphasized on the role of teachers in the progress of a society and gave the assurance to put in efforts and impart innovative ideas to students. People took out a protest rally against the explosion which occurred in Chandel district headquarters on the 13th of this month, killing 2 Assam Rifles Jawans. Various Anal civil society organizations organized the protest rally. Many people, including students and representatives of CSOs, took part in the rally, which began from mini indoor stadium and concluded at Deputy Commissioner office. They submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister through the DC of the districts. Khongjom Circle Mairapaibi Forum, Khongjom, has condemned the plantation of bomb at Papal Lamkhai on National Highway 102 on the 16th of this month. In a press release, the organization demanded clarification from those responsible for the incident. One-day workshop on enhancing partnerships between law enforcement agencies and civil society organizations in the context of drug use and HIV/AIDS was held today at the conference hall of Moray Trade Center. MNP Plus organized the workshop in collaboration with Dedicated People Union, New Generation, Organization for Social Development, Organization for Salvation of Man, Medicine Sans Frontier, Center for Social Development, and Smart City. Program Manager of Project Sunrise, Sadananda, spoke on the problems facing the injecting drug user, female sex worker and migrant workers at the workshop. He also focused on the problems caused by entry of drug users and female sex workers from Myanmar and the steps to be taken by police and security forces to tackle the problem.
अखोई मोरे हाइरिबा सेंटर की मोरे की टाउन से लाइरिबा अखोई की मणिपुर की मखादा थेंगरिबा अवाबा HIV की समस्या से लाइरिबा इंजेक्टिंग ड्रग यूजर लोइना लोइना फीमेल सेक्स वर्कर माइग्रेंट वर्कर सिंगना लाइरिबा हाइरिबा गवर्नमेंट की ओबा सिस्टम पुलिस पर्सनल सिंगा लाइरिबा तुना चमिनबा सिदा अखोई लाइरिबा गेट नाम संसे अखोइना ब्रिज तौनना बगी दमकता मसिगी प्रोग्राम से सिंजबनी थेंगरिबा अवाबा समस्या मैम अदो कोई पुथोकमिना रे हायगा करम मखलगी करम फजबा अप्रोच मा अखोइना मखोइगी दमकता पीब्याबा मखलगी प्रोग्राम मा अखोइना सिंजबनी.
Manipur State Power Company Limited MSPCL in a press release said areas under 33 by 11 kV Khuman Lampak, Kangla and Kashampat substation, namely Lamlong, Pangai, Khuman Lampak, Minuthong, Thangmaiban, Mantri Pukri, will experience power shutdown from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on November 20 due to maintenance works. An audio CD of Kabui community's traditional folk songs was released at Kashamthong Kabui village today. Lungpungya Remai, the village headman, took the responsibility to launch the CD, which contains 100 folk songs. He said he took the initiative to save the traditional art form from becoming extinct as they have become less popular among the new generation. Tangkhul Naga Football Centenary today held a centenary run to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the participation of the 66th Labour Corps football team in a football tournament in France in 1917. The centenary run was flagged off at Tangkhul Baptist Church near Chingmairong, Khongnang Anikarak, and the participants ran till North AOC. Now the sports news. Nongthongbam Mina Leima, who bagged 2 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze at the 14th National Masters Aquatic Championship, was felicitated by Kwakaitel Thokchom Laikai Apunba Sinthalup at the residence of former member of Pakanglakpa Zilla Parishad T.H. Sharachandra. Nongthongbam Mina Leima won 2 gold in the 50 and 100 meter breaststroke, a silver each in the 4 into 50 meter medley relay and 4 into 50 meter freestyle relay, and a bronze medal in 50 meter freestyle at the Masters Aquatic Championship held from November 1 to 3 under the aegis of Karnataka Swimming Association in Mysuru. She has been taking part in various state and national level aquatic championship events. Polo players to represent India B Manipur at the 11th Manipur Polo International 2017 to be held from November 22nd to 29 have been selected. The selection committee of the 11th Manipur Polo tournament in a press release said the players selected are ex-polo clubs P. Ojit, L. Atangba and T.H. Jacob, MPSC B's T. Pradeep Kumar and MPSC A's S. Bimol, Kongrai Latpam Dhanachandra and Ningthau Khongjam Ibungo Chaubi will be the team coach and team manager respectively. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren reiterates his stand to protect the integrity of Manipur, says he will not succumb to blackmail. Open dialogue on framework agreement espouses the concept of protecting Manipur's exclusiveness, quality and flexibility. Acting Chief Justice Koteshwar and Justice Nobin make sport inquiry at National Sports Academy, Kumanlampag and Sai Takel Park in connection with a PIL. And Minister Jayanta Kumar inaugurates 31st Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2017 held on the theme Youth for a Promising Future.